Hey guys, welcome back. So in the previous video we set up our screens or set up our app container to app component to take a navigation container, and in here we can have screens. So we've got one screen here. We could actually duplicate this to have multiple screens, and then we can navigate between them. So for now what we'll do is let's create our screen. Let's keep it basic and let's make our splash screen. Very quick and easy to do. So add that there. Let's go ahead and import React from React, and let's import our components. So you saw I was using view. This time we're going to use safe area view. Now what is safe area view? Safe area view is, let's go to that, is the exact same as view. However, it on phones you have the status bar. So the status bar is, let me show you, this top bit there where it says Vodafone, the time, that's your status bar. And if you do a normal view, your components will get caught at the top of that. But if you do a safe area view, it gets dropped down just underneath the status bar. And same if you've got an iPhone 10, they don't have buttons anymore, they have that little scroll up kind of indicator. That would get blocked by your components, but the safe area view puts your components above that. So it kind of predicts, or not predicts, but it kind of knows where to put your stuff. So the reason we're using that is when we place our components, we don't mess anything up. So let's go ahead and import our icon that we made in the previous video. And then go ahead and make a functional component. Here I'm going to return, this is a very basic screen. All we're going to do is put icon, oops, what am I doing there, icon like that, and let's give it style equals styles.container, and let's go ahead and create our styles. So style is style sheet dot create container, and here we just want to do flex one and just justify content center and align items center. So this is going to put everything to the center of the screen. So let's go ahead and remove test and go above stack, and let's import our screen. So it would be splash from dot slash screens, screen slash splash, just like that. Now it's saying it's unused, so let's copy that, put it where test is. We'll call this splash, and let's go ahead and save that, load that up. It must be a valid React component. Of course I did not export it, so export default splash, and let's also provide our style sheet. Well, we did, but rename that from style to styles. Now as you can see, it's our splash screen. However, one caveat is, see this doesn't have a header, whereas this one does. So how do we deal with that? Now inside of here, let's go ahead and just drop this down so we can kind of see all the parameters. Inside of our screen component, we have an options parameter, and it takes an object, so that's why I've got double curly brackets. And inside of here we can have another parameter value called header shown, and we can say false. Now if we say false, it will hide the header. So now as you can see, that header is gone. If this moves out of the way, yep, that header is gone. So that's our splash screen. Very nice, very easy. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and let's make another screen, since we've got our splash screen done and dusted pretty much. Let's go ahead and create our login screen. So JavaScript file login, add, and what I'll do is I'll just copy the splash screen because it's very basic. And now that we've got that, let's add a few imports to it. So this one's a bit longer. I think what we'll do is we'll put in the next video, because I think it'll take about 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna keep each of these videos quite short so you guys don't get bored. You know, it can be quite straining to look at a lot of minutes in a video, you know, but if they're around 5-10 minutes each, you can quickly zap through, or even 15 minutes max, and then you can kind of take a break, come back, etc. So I'll see you guys in the next video.